Does every organization have external effects? I'm referring, of course, to the ISO 9001 external effects from the context of the organization chapter. Stick around until the end of the video and I will show you where you can download the most common external effects list. I'm Danielle and I'm here to help anyone who's not familiar with the quality profession to make your work easier and much faster by using quality methods. So, does every organization have external effects? Let me rephrase the question. Can something happen in your country or globally that will affect every single country and every single company? If your answer is yes, and surely it is, then the conclusion is clear. Every organization is impacted by external effects, therefore every organization has external effects. For example, global economic recession, shortage of raw materials, even due to a war or due to a global pandemic. These are all external effects. And also new technologies, changes in taxation, or shift in regulation. However, not all external effects are risks. In fact, some of them can be opportunities. This is why ISO 9001 standard emphasizes identifying external effects so that organization will not miss potential risks or opportunities that could affect them. If you're curious about what the organization context is and what external effects are, I have other videos in this channel answering exactly these questions. Okay, now to my promise. I promised at the end of the video, I will let you know where you can download the most common external effects list. Simply go to easyiso.com website to the downloadables page.